Hey everyone, my name is Nikki and today I am going to go over part 3 of a 3-part series about how I started my YouTube channel. So if you are thinking about starting your own YouTube channel and want to watch me start my own YouTube journey, then keep watching. In this third and last video of the series, I'm going to show you how I film, edit, and post a video to YouTube. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2 of this series, I will leave links in the description so that you can watch them before watching this. So, filming a video. I'm going to show you my filming setup, which consists of my camera, my lights, and my sound. So I use a Canon 5D Mark IV, which I got in 2017, and I absolutely love this camera. This is the first camera that I've owned where I actually learned how to use the manual settings. I also use this really awesome 85mm Sigma art lens. I didn't initially think that I was going to buy this lens, but when I went to buy my camera, the associate that was helping me really convinced me that this was a phenomenal lens. So as far as my lighting goes, I am in my bedroom filming, and I've got outdoor lighting. I've got all my drapes open, or my blinds open, and I've got outdoor lighting to my left, and then also to my left, about 45 degrees left front, and a little bit higher above me, I have an octabox or a softbox. And then in front of me, I have a ring light, and that ring light is positioned in between me and my camera. So the view of the camera is going in between or in the middle of that ring light towards me. So for my sound, I'm not using the native sound on my camera because my camera has to be pretty far away from me in order to use that 85mm lens. So for sound, I am using my iPad as well as a lav mic that is connected to a transmitter. And that transmitter is wirelessly connected to a receiver that's connected to my iPad. From there, I just record on my voice memo app. And I'm going to take the sound from my iPad and correspond it to the video that I'm getting from my camera. Next, I need to shoot B-roll footage. For this video, my main footage is me talking to you, sort of a talking head style, into the camera. B-roll footage is supplemental or supporting footage that intercuts between main footage. So B-roll can be shots of my camera, my lighting, my sound setup, me at my desk editing my video, or maybe an over-the-shoulder shot of me doing something on my computer, or maybe if you are visiting a museum, it can be the outside shot of the museum, or maybe it's street scenes outside of the museum, or you may be walking into the museum. Something to give the viewer some context. Now, before I put my whole setup and camera away, I need to make sure that I take some thumbnail photos. Thumbnail photos are the images that are shown above the title of YouTube videos. And so when you go searching for YouTube videos, it is the image that you see right next to the title or right above the title. Along with a good title, the thumbnail image is what compels potential viewers to click on your video. After I finish shooting my main footage and my B-roll footage, I am going to take everything and put it onto an external hard drive. Once I have everything on an external hard drive and backed up to an additional external hard drive, I will import everything into Premiere Pro. So the first thing I do in Premiere Pro is take all of my footage and put it onto the timeline. I scrub through all of the footage and discard things that I don't want, any mistakes, any blank spots where I'm just kind of like staring into the camera, like confused. All of that gets cut away. After I make a rough cut of the footage, then I take a look at sound and music. I get all of my music from Epidemic Sound, and I will leave a link in the description. Now that the video is edited and has music and all the titles, now the video has to be uploaded and posted. For my videos, I need to make sure that I have a compelling title, a really good title. I need to make sure that I have a good description, and I need to make sure that I have good tags. So for my titles, tags, and descriptions, I use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that allows you to do advanced keyword research, among other things. Once I've set my titles, my tags, and my description, my video is ready to post. If you haven't seen my first 2 videos about how I started a YouTube channel, I will leave links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.